Good morning, everyone. This is Matthew GS UK. We are currently 30th of November 2024. It's 11:19 a.m. on the Saturday. This is episode 20 of the 51362 EMA strategy. Hope everyone's doing well. And what a great week it has been in the markets and for this strategy once again. First of all, I did take a few losses on the Monday. I did open Trademasters VIP. Someone joined, won't mention the name, but I did take a few L's and I made the decision to test it first in a closed environment rather than testing on someone just joining. So closed it at the end of the day on the Monday just to focus on the trades and doing it in a closed environment first. So I want to go over those losses on the Monday. But before I did take a few L's, the first trade was actually a winner. So this was actually on Bitcoin on November the 22nd. Actually, before we do that, I do want to test something new to the stream, and that is to connect my broker to TradingView. So as you guys know, watching the streams, I actually place my trades on CTrader. I love CTrader. I like everything about it. However, it can be slightly annoying sometimes that you're marking up your charts on TradingView, you've got your indicators on TradingView, you've got your alerts on TradingView, and then you have to place your trades on CTrader, right? And it kind of makes sense that if a broker is available on TradingView, why not test it out? See how you get on with your broker on TradingView so you're doing everything in one platform. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to connect my broker or our broker if you're using FP Markets as well. You can see here. So at the bottom panel, if we open this up here, search for the broker, you probably have to click show all brokers. And then if we click, actually we can save that there. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to log in as demo just because I want to test this out because it's going to be completely different. Like, you shouldn't really just jump into a whole new platform and just trade on live straight away. So let's connect. Account number. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to get this all logged in properly and I'll come back. So I'll see you shortly. Okay, so I did try my email and password and it wasn't liking it. Not too sure why. I've just opened up a ticket with TradingView. I'm also going to contact my broker. As it's Saturday, the office is going to be closed, so there's no point even trying to contact them now. So unfortunately, I won't be able to log in with my broker and test that out, but I will be testing that next week. So keep your eyes peeled for next week on the updates on that. But yeah, moving on to Bitcoin. On the, where was we? Monday the 22nd. Or was that last week? That was actually last week. I might have covered that trade already, actually, but I will quickly do that here. So in the VIP, I said buy limit, so the entry was there, stop loss and TP. So we are above the 62 EMA. It's quite a big reversal, so I think I might have covered it, so apologies if I have already covered this trade. Stop loss, I might have put that it was like a 50%. I think I did actually cover this one, more than likely because it was last week. But anyways, I'll very quickly do it. And this was the trade. So as you can see, price has slammed down. We've got entered into the trade there. It's reversed, and this wick above here has given us our TP, and that was a 1 to 2 trade. So yeah, very happy with that trade. I then did take a few L's. It might have been because it's my first time giving out signals to someone, but you can't win them all, right? And that's the thing with trading. You just can't win them all. So gold, buy limit for gold. This was on November the 25th. November the 25th on gold. November the 25th. Okay, so what did I say? Buy limit for gold. Yeah, so the reason why I got into this trade was because we have been bullish for quite a long time on gold. We never really come to the 62 EMA. So I was anticipating that price was going to reverse off the 62 EMA, and I went in for a buy as soon as it crossed the 62 EMA. And as you can see, price is actually reversed, and we are starting to be a bit bullish. We're in profits. I had my take profit up there, and then price decided to completely reverse, and that was here. The market just completely tanked. There's no way of knowing that. We only really buy above the 62 EMA. Don't really want to look for sells above it. It's a bit on the riskier side. But yeah, price decided to slam down. I did think that price was gonna reverse off this area here. I thought price was gonna reverse off here. It's a risky trade because it's a very fast moving train, and my stop loss was around here. But yeah, I got taken out, as you can see, and then price started to go lower, so that was an L. But then you've just got to trust the process. You just got to trust your strategy. And I decided that I was confident that gold will start to reverse. So I did put a free trade in the group. This is my first trade that I've given out to the group in Trademasters, and I've put gold buy now. Entry was 2622, so I want to walk you completely through this trade and why I took this trade. Okay, so from the top here, we have dropped a lot of pips. The market has literally just fallen off the edge, and there's a lot of imbalance above that needs to be filled, and we just can't go bearish forever. I mean, we can do, but I was anticipating that we're going to have some form of reversal that's going to happen, and that's kind of like what I was waiting for, right? So after taking a couple of L's here, price is doing its thing, and then we get the 5 and the 13 EMA crossover. So the alert has gone off for the 5 and the 13 crossing over. Price is broken this high here, and I've gone, right, okay, I want to get in on the pullback or the 13 EMA alert that's going to go off. And my entry is going to be this institutional candle here. And then so we want to go for a long here. So buy limit or market execution, stop loss is going to be here. And then take profit was there. So I've given the entry. The stop loss is 2642. So if we come in here and we go, yeah, 2642, stop loss 2612, 2612. Okay. I mean, it was pretty much there. It's a bit different on C Trader than TradingView. And as you can see, price has slammed down. I've started to see the rejection. So that's when I've said go in for a buy. So we've gone in for a couple of buys. Price has started to go up. Then it's actually pulled back down. So this normally happens. It shows you it wants to go, but then people go in for buys, they put their stop loss to break even, and then it takes them out, and then it carries on going. But I never said to put the stop loss to break even until we was around here. So it was around 500 pips up around here. So then I've said go around 500 pips, move your stop loss to break even. So that's what we did here. I went to sleep because that's around 10 p.m. And then through the night, the price has nicely got more bullish. Take profit was hit. That was 1,735 pips. I left a couple more buys open as well. So I caught some more of this move here, which was great. And that ended up being, in the end, a 1-to-4 trade. The original trade that was called out was nearly a 1-to-2, just over a 1-to-2. And that was how I caught that trade for gold. And then, as you can see, price has decided to slam back down. It's actually come down to this institutional candle again. So could have got in for another buy there, but I never did. And then you could have had your take profit there. And there. So that's just over a 1-to-3 trade. So that is another beautiful trade to catch. So that was gold. Very happy with gold. And then actually before that, there was a sniper entry on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was on the November the 26th. Bitcoin November the 26th. So we've had all three EMAs cross here. Prices come back up. We've got the alert happen twice actually. Let's see if it's definitely hit the EMA. Yeah, so you can see that's actually hit the EMA there. That was at 2 a.m. So I was asleep for that one, so missed that alert. However, at 6 a.m. price has slammed through the 13 EMA. So gone in for a short here. Stop loss is there. Take profit was there. So it's just over a 1 to 2 trade. This is the not quite sniper because I was asleep at 6 a.m. and I was awakened at 7 a.m. So as I see that the market was turning around, I've got in for that trade, and then take profit was slammed. So that was a very, very good trade, and that was 1,878 pips. So very, very happy with that. I'm not going to go through all these trades and why I got them, because I can save that for future material. I am looking to create a complete trading course from start to finish, and it will be all the different entries for this strategy, the exits, position sizing, psychology. Like, there's going to be so much going into it, everything I've learned over the years of trading. But I do want to cover one sniper entry. Like, that one wasn't quite sniper. It could have been sniper if I got it at 6 a.m. But this is what sniper entry looks like. So this is on Bitcoin. Can you see how the buyer was made and then it completely reverses? That is a sniper entry. Okay. That turned out to be a winner, this trade here on Bitcoin. This is a sniper entry. Can you see how you sell and then the market instantly reverses? That's a sniper entry. I do catch sniper entries. To catch sniper entries, you have to be quick to get in on them. And I'll show you how I caught that sniper entry on gold. Sniper entry on gold. That was this one here. So the reason for this trade here, as mentioned previously, we are bearish, then we've switched to bullish, but then I was just anticipating that we would get a sell because prices pulled away from this area. So I want to get in on the pullback. So this is the pullback entry. I was anticipating price to hopefully reach here. So it's a 1 to 3 trade. However, it didn't quite reach there. And it did start reversing. So I did have my trailing stop loss. But this is how I caught that sniper entry. And I think I was around 900. When it got to here, it was about 1,000 pips up. And then it started to reverse. So I got taken out by the trailing stop loss. But that's how I caught the sniper entry. And it comes with practice, right? People can be amazed, like, how do I catch sniper entries? How do you know the market's gonna reverse? Well, the truth is you don't actually know that the market's gonna reverse there. You just have an idea and you've taken the risk that, okay, if it does reverse there, I've calculated my risk to reward, and I'm going to get in. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but if I'm right, then I'm going to make money. And that's kind of the attitude that you need, really. And it did reverse from there. So that's how I got that sniper entry. Didn't quite work out because it did completely reverse. But yeah, very happy overall with gold. And yeah, this strategy's been very, very good for these weeks now. I caught this move here as well off the 62 EMA. I won't go into detail just for the length of the video, but this is consistently happening over and over and over again. and all the pips add up. So yeah, very, very happy. Moving forward, it's just more of the same, really. I always look to improve the strategy. I'm also halfway through reading Trade Your Way to Financial Success, I believe it's called. No, Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom by Van K. Tharp. I'm on page 122. Very, very good book. I will be supporting the author and purchasing this book in the near future. At the moment, the price is quite expensive, but yeah, so far so good. It's been great. So signals are actually on hold. I'm not doing signals at the moment. Signals, they're a different beast because there's a lot more involved, right? If I give out a signal, I feel like in the back of my mind, I am responsible for that person's account, which I shouldn't be because they should be used in proper risk management and understand that, I'm not going to win every single trade. But I feel like I was more placing more trades than I would do. Like I'm quite patient when it comes to the trades that I'm looking for, and I just felt like I had to give more out, and then you kind of have to, like, that person. I'm not saying it's for everyone, but there's all different types of trades. Like I could say, right, this is a buy limit, this is a sell limit. If that person doesn't know how to place a buy limit or sell limit, they're asking questions, which is fine, but I need to be. I'm a very busy, active person as it is. So I do have videos on my channel. If you look at the different types of trades that there are, I cover what's a market execution, what's a buy limit, what's a sell limit, what's a stop order, what's a buy stop. It's all on my channel. So you really need to know all the different types of trades. If you was to jump into a signal provider, you need to know all the different trades. And if I was to give out a signal and you get in late, then you could miss half the move, and there's just a lot involved. It's so much better to actually take the time and learn this for yourself and just get in your own trades. And it was just taking up more time, like having to give the trades out, stop loss, and all that kind of stuff. So that's on hold at the moment. I will be testing it in a closed environment, but I much prefer coaching. So coaching is still open. Just think of it like if you've ever played golf. Like, people go to learn golf, but most people, they pay for golf lessons to improve their golf swing, or if there's something quite not right with their golf, you go and see a coach, right? You go and see someone that knows what they're doing. So if you're using this strategy and you're not sure of certain things, and you're like, oh, I'm getting more losses than wins, or I'm not too sure of this and that, then this is what coaching is for. They're just to get you to where you need to be a lot faster. So I do offer coaching. It does take up some time, but that's fine. I dedicate certain hours in my busy schedule for coaching. So if that's something you're interested in, do let me know. But yeah, finishing up now. Trade Masters Telegram is free. I don't know where I'm going with this, really, with this strategy. Everyone can see the trades that I'm placing. Everyone can see the results that I'm getting. So I feel like now I've got to the stage where I don't have to prove that I'm getting these entries and these results. So I probably will be posting a little bit less in there because I've got nothing else to show, really. Just as and when I might post things in there, I will. FP Markets is the broker that we use. We get to use any lot size in any market. TradingView, I'm affiliated with them. So if you're looking to use the 23 alerts, please let me know. As mentioned as well before, I will be testing the broker within TradingView, And if it all works out well, then I'll just be all sticking to TradingView in one whole platform. So you won't see any more C Trader videos as such. I might still do them in the near future. But yeah, finishing up now, economic calendar. What we got for next week? Economic calendar. No, do not want you. Monday. Nothing at the moment. There's US dollar red folder news at 3 o'clock. GBP news, if you're trading GBP, watch out for that one on Wednesday. Wednesday as well, there's US dollar red folder news. Thursday, US dollar red folder news. What is Friday? The 6th. Okay. Why is it not letting me click there? Yeah, so Friday, that means that it is NFP, first Friday of the month. So this is the big one. Be mindful of NFP on the Friday. This can really move the market. So next Friday is going to be very busy, Thursday and Friday. So yeah, looking forward to next week. Once again, a lot of pips to be caught, and I'm excited to try FP markets in TradingView. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate everyone jumping on. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.